Hey guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. I actually had a question that was going through my mind today, so I thought I might talk to you guys at the same time as I do my hair real quick. As you can see from the title of the video, my question is it okay for us to call our MICROLOCS sister locks? Or more specifically, is it okay for us to let people assume that they're sister locks instead of MICROLOCS? Don't come for me, sister lock community. I'm not trying to act like I have sister locks, but let me explain to you what I mean. But I'm gonna be doing my hair too. So I just got a retie yesterday. My edges are looking nice and sharp, grid pattern looking nice and appearance. I asked that because inevitably, especially if I wear my hair down, there is somebody who says,
"Oh my God, I love your sister locks."
And it's in different locations, in different scenarios. But I find that sometimes I just don't have the energy to be explaining that I don't have sister locks, I have MICROLOCS, because I know the next question is, what are MICROLOCks? I didn't even know there was a such thing. Is that like regular locks, but they look like sister locks? Okay, what does that mean? Like, if you don't have sister locks and they look like MICROLOCks, how do you do MICROLOCks? And how do you look? I messed my hair. How do you do MICROLOCks? What's the difference between that and that, right? So the other day I was in Sam's Club and I was getting some stuff for my son's lunches for the week, and there was a lady and she stopped me and she's like, "Oh my gosh, your hair, I love it. It's so beautiful. When did you get sister locks? Who did your sister locks?" Okay, so I said, "Well, I don't have sister locks. I have MICROLOCks." And she's like, of course, was like, "What are MICROLOCks?" And I was like, well, MICROLOCks are like sister locks and they look like sister locks. They're also interlocked, which is the same method that they use to do sister locks. But sister locks is kind of like a patent way of interlocking that's specific to that. Kind of like facial tissue and Kleenex, right? They're both like something you would wipe the sun off your face with. But one of them is more, like name brand, than the other one is a specific way, right? In a formula that is made. So she's like, well, but I thought that you could. So I'm trying to leave, okay? Trying to leave this place. I'm not trying to be answering all these questions. So I say, hey, I have a YouTube channel. If you're interested, I give her the name of my YouTube channel and I tell her, like, go ahead and check out, my YouTube channel, and I talk about some things on there. Or you could look it up on YouTube. What's the difference between MICROLOCks and sister locks? So I get stuck in this conversation trying to educate people on something that honestly people who have sister locks and MICROLOCks don't even always know the difference between, rather than just being like, oh, thank you, getting out of the line and getting home to my family and answer that question the way that I guess would be socially acceptable from somebody in the lock community. So it led me to a conversation with my loctician yesterday where I asked her, I said, hey, do you think it's okay? She has sister locks and I don't. Do you think it's okay for us under any circumstances to say, like, hey, not say I have sister locks, but allow people to assume that you have sister locks because you just honestly don't feel like explaining, and or you don't have time for that. And then you want to know about this. Well, then who did your hair and how did this and all those kind of things like that. So I've gotten to the point where I just say thank you. If people say, hey, your sister locks are so pretty, I say, oh, thank you. I appreciate that. And I keep it moving. Unless it's a situation where somebody that I know a little bit better and I say, oh, actually, I don't have sister locks, I have MICROLOCks, because inevitably they'll say, like, who did them? I've been thinking about getting my hair done, which is the next thing that people most of the time say. So I have a question for you guys. Do you think it's okay to allow people to assume you have sister locks if you have MICROLOCks? Is it that big a deal? Are we splitting hairs here? Do you think that some people will get mad about it and some people just really don't care? Are you one of those people who does care? Do you have sister locks, and would you not appreciate it if somebody who had MICROLOCks was not claiming but allowing people to assume that they have sister locks when they don't really? Answer me in the comments, or you could DM me, or maybe find me on Instagram at thelocdmama. Can we allow people to assume that our MICROLOCks are sister locks? Are we good with that? Are people gonna get mad? I'm curious to know what you think. Oh, the hairdo. So I just kind of wanted my hair out of my face, so I just did the little side twist over here. Everybody knows how to flat twist. If you don't, I have a video that's a little bit more detailed. I think it's called like side twist ponytail or something like that. I'll put it in the description below. And then this side, I just kind of took the side and I pinned it. So I'll give you guys a 360 of this look. So here you go. That's what the back looks like. My hair isn't long enough yet to actually meet in the middle, so I just like pin it on both sides with the bobby pin, and I have like a clip in the middle, just like pretending like it's it met in the middle, because my hair is not that long. So all right guys, answer me in the comments, what do you think? Is it that big a deal? And I will see you in my next full length video. Bye.